Good morning, people. Good morning, goats. Good morning, shed. Another day, another dollar. Almost at the factory. Let's see how much the guys have done since the last episode. There's the factory. I feel like a kid at Christmas. Such a short period of time and there's so much work done on the boat, so it's always a pleasure to come to the factory. Here we go. I'm going to go set up the time lapse. Let's get into it. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you? I'm good, thank you. G'day people, I thought we'd meet some of the design crew here. Now, Tung here is a bit shy. His English is excellent, so we won't give him a hard time just yet. He might come out of his shell later, we'll see. But he's, you want to tell us your qualifications? No, he's very shy. Sorry, Tung. He's a naval architect and studied at University of which one?
Yeah, Ho Chi Minh City, University of Transport.
Okay, there you go. And he's designing the furniture. Is that correct?
Yes.
And what are the materials?
Yes, honeycomb panel and
Honeycomb aluminium?
yes, and the tabletop is Korean.
Ah, and what's that? That's like artificial marble or stone, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. I got that wrong. That's Ting over here. This is Tung here. He graduated from the Hanoi University of Science and Technology. He's a project engineer. He's under Jeffrey. He's doing all the scheduling and all the documentation and the paperwork. Is that right?
Yes.
And also helping Jeffrey. All right, good stuff. Another capable engineer in the ranks, people. Tung is responsible for all of these books and guidelines for this project. Ho-ho! How much you reckon this weighs, people? Put it in the comments. Bugger all, really.
100 là được rồi. Nó 120 rồi đó, 100 là được rồi. Đứng lại em ta. Nó bị như vậy.
Đẩy đây nữa 30 ly nữa rồi ở những cái đấy
đẩy về đây, đẩy về đây mà. Vừa thôi, đẩy về trước, đẩy về trên mũi. Rồi, kéo rồi, 60 hay 80? Tính luôn. Đấy, cái gì rồi, em đau cái gì? Cái đấy là gì? Cái đấy.
Về mặt bê tông. And then take. Okay.
Yes.
So, or 150 is just a frame of reference.
Yes.
And then they get everything from that line. Yep. Okay, understood. Actually, it looks like it's more like 100 mil off center line. But it doesn't matter. You can choose whatever. It doesn't matter, although it probably does matter when you've got the thinner bulkheads up front because they're not 150 wide. There you go, people. I'm not entirely sure if I was going to build this in the Philippines in a paddock under a tarp and bamboo, that I'd be going to this much detail. I mean, of course, the straighter the boat, the better the boat is, but these guys really know what they're doing. Let's see if you can notice a difference today. I think we're 2 days since the last video. How many more bulkheads are needed for this boat? Here's a bit of a clue. And what's that over there? Put it in the comments. Amazing amount. How much work have they done in 2 days? Crazy. That's the last major one that's going in. There's some little ones, but that's the last major one. Checking it out from another perspective. Now we still haven't got the final adjustments this way. That's why they're setting up the laser light. So when that gets done, then I guess they'll start putting all of these stringers in. So I was talking to the foreman, and he's saying that all the bulkheads are going to be put on my boat first.
Yep.
So all the structure, and the other boat is going to be left incomplete whilst you finish the structure of mine. Is that correct?
Yeah, we want to finish the first vessel and second vessel will do later.
And what's the reason behind that? I mean, I'm very happy about that because number one is my boat.
Yeah, with the vessel, that's why.
but why are you doing it like that? Is there things to work out, or?
We want to focus on the one vessel finish and we move to other.
Okay.